Yesterday afternoon, we went out and got some samples of plankton from the river, the Park River, right on adjacent to campus. You looked at samples in the fall, we've done samples in the winter, and we try and do them each season to look at what kind of changes have occurred in the samples, what kind of plankton we find this time of year that we didn't find later, last year in the fall. What would you expect to see in the spring versus the fall?
Egg sacs.
Yeah. They're definitely going to be, you have copepods carrying egg sacs. They look very, very different. There's pictures of them on this guide sheet. How would the weather affect it? Why do I think it's going to be different this spring than previous springs, right?
Because they haven't had as much time to develop.
Right, and what's the key for them developing? What are they living off of?
Sunlight.
Right, sunlight. So there's two kinds of plankton, right? What are the two kinds?
Phytoplankton.
Phytoplankton, which get their energy from the sun, and the other plankton, zooplankton, and where they get their energy from. Who are they eating? They're eating the phytoplankton, the plant types, right? So you're going to see lots of phytoplankton. So the common one is called a volvox. It's a round, it looks like a ball with little tiny spikes sticking out of it, and it actually rolls around inside your sample, and that's a common phytoplankton. The copepods are a zooplankton. They're going around eating other plankton. So if you haven't had much sunlight and the river's been iced over all winter, you're not getting a lot of sunlight in there. You're not getting much photosynthesis taking place. The system hasn't really turned on yet, so it's just starting to get going. Yesterday we went at the beginning of the dropping tide. We got a couple of decent samples. We'll see what we find, but it's going to be different than most maize for sure.
I think it's a polycarya.
A polycarya. It's brown. It's really, really small. Just keep them going in a circle.
Does it have a dominant eye spot like that? See the dominant eye spot?
I couldn't see it.
Okay. So, look at that. That's kind of cool. You know what? I think he's a copepod.
A copepod.
Yep. So
That was my second notion.
that was your second note. So not a rover, more like one of these Daphne or copepods down here.
It's
So
kind of like the
does he
Mason
have
thing.
right? Does he have that clear
Yes.
shell around it like
Yes.
that? The problem is it shows so many legs in the drawing, and you won't always see them because he'll tuck them in. You won't necessarily see him when he's sitting in a sample like this. That would be my bet. Take another look.